Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ You are with me Teacher Tisha Today I'm going to teach you tips and tricks about the technique how we convert from improper fraction to mixed number and from mixed number to improper fraction. If you're ready, let's go together. Mixed number, mixed. When you heard about mixed number, you have to know exactly that it's mixed, yeah? So that's why it's named mixed number. Okay, what they mix? They mix with whole number and the fraction. Okay, what they mix? They mix with a whole number, and then they plus or they mix with an proper fraction. For example นะคะ if you have the circle look like this นะคะ okay let me write down the circle here you have one circle look like this and then you have plus another half just half of them look like this one นะคะ okay let me do this here oops and you mix another half here and this one you have just half okay and I'm going to write out here with you Grace are you still with me are you still with me ค่ะ yep half yep so one of your whole number นะคะ if it's kind of like a whole number all of this one is like 1 and then you plus with half is 1 over 2 so it is 1 and 1 and half 1 and 1 and 1 over 2 or 1 half this one we call mix ค่ะ mixed number it make sense ค่ะ we call this one mixed number so again mixed number is you have a whole number and then you mix with proper fraction mixed number could be look like this as well ค่ะ I give you example for example 3 1 over 2 or you get 5 and then 2 over 3 or you could have 8 and then you have 3 over 5 okay what we're going to do นะคะ if you have 3 over 2 you can see that the denominator the one on top is greater than the one at the bottom or denominator what we're going to do นะคะ you could do this method the short one or the long one okay I'm going to show you the short one the quick one first I know that 3 divided by 2 is equal 1 yeah and then you have the remainder 1 so you write down remainder 1 and then the denominator have to be the same so it's 2 in the future you need to use this method but I'm going to show you another one as well if you have 3 you divide it by 2 what we have 3 divided by 2 is 1 and then when 1 times 2 you have 2 here you minus them so that means you have remainder 1 yeah so what does it mean you have 1 you write down 1 here and have remainder 1 write down remainder on the top here and divide it by 2 is that hard ไหมคะ a bit hard but it's okay guys can we try another one together คะ okay that's okay it's my heart at the first time guys are you okay how about if we have 5 over 2 I know exactly it's equal look at this one นะคะ 5 divided by 2 is 2 oh sorry 5 divided by 2 is 2 and then we have remainder 1 so it's 1 over 2 or another option I show you how if we divided them like this นะคะ is equals you put 5 inside here and then you put 2 here 5 divided by 2 5 divided by 2 is okay 5 divided by 2 you have 2 ใช่ไหมคะ 2 times 2 is 4 you put 4 here is that make sense ไหมคะ Grace and then you have remainder 1 what you're going to do is this one is like the core you remember we learned from last time so quartile and this one is remainder so you put the remainder here same concept ค่ะ you have 2 here you write out 2 here have remainder 1 write out remainder here and denominator have to be the same Grace does that make sense or not is that hard it might be hard at the beginning ค่ะ 14 is so again นะคะ this one is our 14 okay I write out here for you hey Grace how you pronounce this one quotient and this one is our remainder yeah and this one is our denominator this is how you put them together from the improper fraction to mixed number ค่ะ improper fraction mean like you have denominator for example you have 5 and denominator just 3 what you're going to do is Grace I'm going to show you the quick method 5 divided by 3 is 1 yeah Grace does that make sense it's 1 and then you have 2 remain yeah and then you have to divide it by denominator this is how you solve it or if you would like to use the long method you could as well ค่ะ it's going to be like this if I would like to use the long division I put 5 inside divided by 3 5 divided by 3 is 1 yep 5 divided by 3 is 1 1 times 3 is 3 and then when you subtract them minus is equal to so again what you have the quotients 1 you write down 1 here you have remainder 2 okay you write down remainder here yep and then you have the same denominator the denominator is the same yep Grace that makes sense can we try one more yes how about okay Grace tell me one of your favorite number ค่ะ 9 okay and tell me another number that's greater than 9
11
okay how about now you have the improper fraction 11 over out of 9 what you going to do คะ Grace help me ค่ะ 11 divided by 9 equal okay if 9 times 1 equal 9 yeah? But if 9 times 2 equal 18 we cannot use 18 because it's greater than 11 so we have 1 okay 11 divided by 9 9 times 1 equal 9 and then we have remainder 10 11 so we have 2 remainder and then how should we divided by 9
635
okay we're going to convert mixed number ค่ะ to improper fraction. Grace, what is improper fraction again, please? Okay, how is different between proper fraction and improper fraction? Yep, okay, like this oneนะ Improper fraction is the one that, for example, the denominator is greater than denominator. Okay, this one is improper fraction. But let's try to convert ค่ะ Okay, I'm going to show you the easy one first นะคะ How about I have 1 and then I have proper fraction 1 over 2. The way that you convert is very easy. You do like a 2 times 1 and then you plus 1. This is how you do it ค่ะ Grace, are you okay? Can we take a look again one more time? What you're going to do is how to do it is okay, let me show you. เดี๋ยวครูเขียนให้ใหม่ครูจะเขียนตัวใหญ่ๆเอาใหม่ You have 1 oops 1 and then you have proper fraction 1 over 2. The way you do is นะคะ you put okay 1 over 2 1 over you put it like this ค่ะ 2 times 1 you multiply them here and then you plus here. Yep. And then you have the denominator is still the same. That's 2 is still the same. So I write out 2 here first. Yep. Because it's going to be the same. What you're going to do นะคะ like this one ค่ะ 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3 over 2. It make sense ค่ะ Okay, Grace, let you write down all of them first.
I am done.
Oh, good. Actually, you have homework, but we don't have much time to go through. I would like to teach you how to convert them first. Okay, let's see another example one นะคะ If we have, okay, now I have 1 and 2 over 3. What I'm going to do นะคะ is equal. I know that 3 have to be the same, yeah? Denominator always be the same. I write down here first 3. I put 3 here because I know that it needs to be the same. Then Grace color this one. 3 times 1 is 3. That makes sense ไหมคะ 3 times 1 is 3 and then plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5.
Huh?
That makes sense or not คะ
Yeah.
Okay. If you think it makes sense, let's see the next one. How about number 2 here ค่ะ Grace, you need to help me. Have 1 5 2 ค่ะ Okay, Grace, what is the answer ค่ะ I'm going to give you a hint. Denominator always the same, so I write down over 5 first. Grace, can you help me please, step by step? No?
7.
Yeah, because 5 times 1 is 5 and then plus 2 is 7. Very good ค่ะ correct ค่ะ You write down 7 here. Good job. Does that make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching my videos about the mixed number and improper fraction. If you have any question, please feel free to leave comment. Follow me on social media, Facebook and subscribe this YouTube channel. So I see you in the next video สวัสดีค่ะ see you bye